Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So we have this 2014 Ford Focus here. So I get in here, try to crank it and nothing. So the battery go dead in it. You can see, put the key in the ignition, try to crank it, nothing. So I'm going to show you how to use this hompow jump box to crank it. So right here I have the hompow jump starter. Right here I have the wires that used to attach to the battery. So these are the cable that goes to the battery. Right here I have a USB. I also have a cable here that goes to the you can charge your phone from here. That's it right here, like a cigarette light in your car. You have a little manual right here. And this is the jump starter box. Remove it from the pack. So I'm going to hook up the wire to this piece right here. To see if I can fix it somewhere where I can easily get it to install. So you can see there are two different parts on the connection, flat piece and a round end. So I'm going to turn the flat part down, just like this guys. I'm just going to locate the negative terminal, which is the one to the back, or I can just connect it to this cable right here. This is the negative, they call it grounds. This is the positive, so I'm going to attach it to the positive side. Battery a bit corrode also, and have to clean those terminals. That's it right there guys. Output 77%. So I'm going to safely crank the car. Alright guys, so now we crank the car. You can see it crank right up. But yes, you can see the gauge moving. Here you go guys. So now you know that it's working guys. There you go. So I'm going to remove it. So first let me remove this negative. I remove the positive. Then I put it back in the box here for now. And that's how you use your hompow jump box to crank your car guys. It's really good. So I'm going to pin the link in the description where you can get one of these jump box. It's good to have it in your car in case you have a dead battery guys. You can use it to crank your car. I think every motorist should have one of these jump box guys. So that's it right here. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.